Hey, so today I'll show you how to create a to-do list in Google Keep step by step in 2026. It's super easy, and you can use it for daily tasks, study plans, or even shopping lists. First, open Google Keep on your phone or browser. You can use it on Android, iPhone, or desktop. Next, tap the plus button to create a new note. This is where your to-do list will start. Now, tap the checklist icon. This converts your note into a proper to-do list. Start typing your tasks one by one. You can add things like homework, work tasks, or daily goals. Now, you can drag and reorder tasks. Put the most important tasks at the top. Tap the checkbox when you complete a task. It helps you track progress easily. Now, use colors or labels to organize your lists. You can separate work, study, and personal tasks. Add reminders so Google Keep notifies you at the right time. Perfect for deadlines or important tasks. If you're signed in, your to-do list will sync automatically. You can access it anywhere, anytime. So that's how you create a to-do list in Google Keep. Once you start using checklists, it becomes super easy to stay organized. Thanks for watching.